Hi guys, it's Angela Bliss here with Angela Bliss Art. I am so excited to be here. It is ornament time, so I'm going to get you down. We're going to get started on a custom order that I have for a customer. She wants black and gold only. We're going to use the sphere ornaments. They're kind of flattened, but not like super like thin. They're kind of like this. I'll show you one. Kind of bubbly, but not too round. They're round, but they're not like round, right? We're going to see if we can't work this out. Black and gold only. So that was a challenge for me, just using two colors. I'm going to get you down, as I said, and we're going to get busy knocking this one out. I do have some really cool ornaments that I am working on. So hopefully I can get those up pretty soon. So you guys stay tuned. And I appreciate you guys being here. Take care. Let's get down. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angela Bliss, and we are doing some Christmas ornaments again this year, 2023 Christmas ornaments. So let's get busy. I am working on a custom order. The customer wanted black and gold. It represents a football team or a sports team. I'm not sure. But I know she only wanted black and gold, so that can be challenging at times. I've already done 3 of them, and I will show you those at the end. I'm going to tell you what I'm using for my paint, and I will list that all in the description box for you. I'm using Sherwin Color to Go for the base on the ornament. We've taped the backs. This is the ornament that I'm using. It looks kind of something like this when you get it out of the package. And I bought these at, I think, Michael's last year. They had them on sale at the end of the year, so I went ahead and bought them. They're the flat disc ornaments. Now, I am going to tape these. I've taped the back. And I followed, there's like a little seam that I followed to kind of get a line. It really doesn't have to be perfect. But when we paint this, then we can, when this dries, we can peel the paint off, then we can cover this side, flip it over and do the other side because she wanted both sides done. So that's what we're doing. This is the disc ornament. This is one side taped, one side not taped, one already done, and there's 2 more back here. These are lab rubber stoppers. I will put the link in the description box. It is the #1 size that fits these discs. I'm just going to push it back in here. And I have my ornaments just suspended here in a styrofoam. And I've got a couple of jugs of paint here so it won't like flip over. But that's just enough for me. Alright, color to go. Sherwin Williams is the base color paint. And it is the tricorn black. I also mixed my balloon paints with Valspar 4000. I think it's a base C, untinted. And I mixed that along with some Josonja varnish. And I put just like a dollop of paint in each one until I got the right consistency. I really didn't measure this time. I used Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold for the gold, and then I used Creative Inspirations for the black. It's that. And I used Amsterdam Light Gold for the cell activator. Now the cell activator, I mixed 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. I did measure that. And all of that's going to be in the description box. So let's just get busy. So we're just going to put this on here. I hope you guys are well, and I hope you're ready for Christmas. I'm so excited to put my tree up. Just ready for the end of the year. I love Christmas time, and I love the holidays, so I love being able to spend quality time with my family. I'm going to try to make this video a little faster than last year. I was learning as well. This year I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing, so hopefully I'm not blocking the camera up top, so that you can get a good view. I know last year I didn't have an above camera, and this year I'm in my new studio. If you only watch me for my Christmas videos, which I think you should watch everything else too, because there's some really cool art on this channel, if I do say so myself. So stick around, take a look at other things that I do. I would appreciate it. Okay, looks like I have it covered. And all I want to do is cover it so that the front part is covered. There. Because it's going to roll around to the back, but we're going to paint the other side as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this and dab it right here in the middle. I like to do that to kind of see where my paint's going. It's going off pretty quick. I'm going to use the gold, the Pebeo, and I'm just going to sprinkle this everywhere. No rhyme nor reason. I just kind of want it all over the place. And I decided to use a black, an acrylic black instead of the base black, just to kind of give the Cell Activator another paint to glide across instead of the base paint, kind of like a thinner paint, kind of mimicking the bloom. Enough of that because it's going to come off pretty quick, so my head's probably going to get in the way. Sorry guys. Pretty. Now I'm a little low here, so I need something here. Let's see, what can I use? Yeah, I just need something to lift it up just a little bit. There we go. Perfect. All right, that's really pretty. Everything's covered. It's going around. I think it's a little piece here. Now I use this is a brand new one. I use a rubber hose that's made for like a hose on a motorcycle. They can like replace them, put colored hoses on. So that's what I use. I buy it from Cycle Gear, I think is where I got it from. So anyway, I'm gonna get you down and show you the close-up result of these beauties, and then we'll do another flip around and do the backs when these are dry, and then I'll show you all of them at the end. So stay tuned. Here are the first 4 fronts. Look at that gold shimmer. Wow. So pretty. The second one. Third one. And this one we just did together. Wow, super pretty. All right. Back to the back side in just a second. Okay, everyone, so now I'm back and I have painted the other 3, and the fronts were great. I peeled the back off, I retaped the front. Now I'm gonna pour on this side. If you find that you want to see me do that process, please leave it in the comments below and let me know. In the next video, I will include that. It just takes, it's like a long, tedious process for a video anyway. But we can do it. So I'm taking my black paint and we are covering this side. Dried really well. All of my formulas, I think, are right on, which is great. It's been a year since I've done these, so it's always good when you can come back to it and just do it. It's pretty simple though. They turn out to be great gifts. And we're gonna get started with the gold. This is the Iridescent Gold by Pebeo. Like I said, just putting this on, no rhyme or reason. Really just want it to be all over the place. A lot of other people put them like right on top of one another, and I just make sure that I have enough color. Here is the Creative Inspirations Black and the Light Gold by Amsterdam. Here we go. I'm gonna try to stay out of the camera. Looks good. Just gonna walk around, look at it. Looks great. Yep, move this up a little bit. There. All right, I will show you guys the finished result, and I will be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished result. So pretty, so shiny, but I'm not liking the silver with the gold, so give me just a second. Okay, now that looks better. And other side. Double-sided. Seams are not bad. So yeah, there you go. And the final picture will have the ribbons. Hopefully it'll be in the thumbnail of the final product. So there you go. #1 ornament video down for 2023. Here's another light on it. So pretty, super pretty. They turned out great. Wow. All right, guys. Talk to you guys soon. Stay tuned for #2. Bye.